Carnegea, carnegea, giganteum, Latin for Saguaro Cactus. This one looks like it's having a rough life, unfortunately. So a young one like that could be around 20 years old. Here we have a very young Carnegea giganteum. Pretty awesome. Look at that. You can see the top, so wow. Carnegea giganteum. Check that one out. That one, whoop, there's my finger. So look at the base of that one, all chewed up. Okay, a closer view. We're getting closer. So a lot of animal activity here. So, but it's still surviving. It's still green. It's holding up. I will survive. I will survive. All right, so this one looks to be around 20, 25 feet. It's got an arm there, a little nubby there. Let's get a closer look. Okay, it has a few nubbies there, or what I would call hands. They remind me of hands, sort of. So, and people have thought of them as stick people. Make sure I don't trip over a shrub here. That's really an awesome specimen. All right, I'm going to take a flying leap into this wash. Whoa! So these two are rather fascinating. What they lack in height, they've made up in arms. Check them out. And closer view. And here we are up close. Closer. Chewed up bases there. So keep in mind it can get up to a balmy 130 degrees, and these fellows here really know how to take those temperatures and survive. So the woodpeckers will hollow out bird nests, and the bird nests, or what becomes boots, will be 10 degrees cooler if the hollows are deep enough within the cactus. Pretty nice homes there in the summer, I suppose, but if it's 130 degrees out, it'll be 110 within those boots.